the reaction here. Seventh step, what was happening in your seventh step is that 4 cellulose 5-phosphate molecules getting converted into the 4-ribulose 5-phosphate molecules. 4-ribulose 5-phosphate molecules. Diagram writing the eighth step. Diagram writing the eighth step. Diagram writing the eighth step. 2 molecules of ribose 5-phosphate getting converted into the 2 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate. Very simple. You may ask me, sir, in the eighth step, how did you got this respective ribose molecule? How did you got this respective ribose 5-phosphate? Now, in this case, I'm not using any bank, yeah, etc., etc. I'm directly showing your respective this one. Go and see your sixth step. Sixth step में आपको 2 molecules है ribose 5-phosphate बोल के. Those 2 molecules from the sixth step will enter into the respective eighth step now. So those 2 molecules of ribose 5-phosphate will get converted into the 2 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate. 2 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate. 2 molecules of ribulose 5-phosphate. So I'm just marking yellow, yellow. And now just see the ninth step. Ninth step, with the ninth step, everything is going to get completed. Ninth step with everything is going to get completed. Very simple. Just see go and see your seventh step. Seventh step में ribulose 5-phosphate कितने सारे थे? In the seventh step, how many ribulose 5-phosphates are there? 4 are there. And in the eighth step, just see the eighth step. Eighth step में how many ribulose 5-phosphates you are having? You are having 2 ribulose 5-phosphates. So 4 molecules in the seventh step and 2 molecules in the eighth step. Mix up to these 2 molecules together, and you will be getting how many ribulose 5-phosphate means? You will be getting 6 compounds. 6 compounds of ribulose 5-phosphate. Ribulose 5-phosphate. 6 compounds of ribulose. 6 compounds of ribulose. 6 compounds of ribulose 5-phosphate is getting converted into the 6 compounds. 6 compounds of ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. Bisphosphate. Now you may ask me, sir, फर्स्ट कार्बन के ऊपर वो फॉस्फेट एटम कहाँ से आया? फर्स्ट कार्बन మీద ఫాస్ఫేట్ atom ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చిందని మీరు నాకు అడగచ్చు. The answer is very simple. In this reaction, I'm using the ATP molecules. In this reaction, I'm using the ATP molecules. That is, for each and every conversion of 1 ribulose 5-phosphate into 1 ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, I'm using 1 ATP molecule. So as there are 6 such compounds are there, 6 compounds are there in the ribulose 5-phosphate case. So I have to use the 6 ATP molecules, and I'm going to get the 6 molecules of a ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. And this is your respective regeneration. This is your respective regeneration where you are getting this respective ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, where it will go back to your first step. Where it will be going back to your first step, carboxylation में जाएगा. It will go into the carboxylation, and it will be utilized into the fixing of the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide को fix up करने के लिए help होगा. This is your totally 9 step. 10 step mechanisms are there. 10 steps are there actually. The first step में उसमें बोल दिया ना. That is which one means 10 G3P में से 4 G3P getting converted into etc. That is your first step actually. Totally 10 steps are there. So I have just serial wise में थोड़ा mistake करा तो 9 आ गए पूरे. So just let us revise what we have completed. So एक बार revise कर लेंगे. Everyone just revise everyone just listen me carefully. Using the laser here. So 2 G3P molecules are there interacting with the 2 THAP molecules and getting leads to the production of 2 compounds of fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate molecule आ गया. Second step deadly easy. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is getting converted into the fructose 6-phosphate. We are just removing the phosphate atom. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is getting converted into the fructose 6-phosphate. We are just removing the phosphate atom. That's it. We are not doing anything special in this second step. Third step, fructose 6-phosphate mixing up with the G3P molecules. 2 molecules of G3P. You may ask me, sir, where the hell this came from? Is just you have to go and see your bank statement. बोल जाना मैं पूरा ये समझने के लिए आपको बैंक स्टेटमेंट का याद रखना बोल के फ्रॉम वेयर एंड वेयर इट इज कमिंग मींस यू हैव टू जस्ट कीप इट इन माइंड बैंक स्टेटमेंट याद रखना होगा fructose 6 phosphate mixing up with the 2G3 molecules leads to the production of xylulose 5 phosphate and erythrose 4 phosphate and xylulose 5 phosphate को निकाल के अपन बैंक में डाल दिए xylulose 5 phosphate molecule ని తీసుకుని బ్యాంక్ లో వాడేసారు బ్యాంక్ లో దాచిపెట్టారు ఎందుకంటే ప్రస్తుతానికి అవసరం లేదు కాబట్టి आपके लिए जरूरत नहीं बोल के अपन बैंक में डाल दिए so we are proceeding our next step with the erythrose 4 phosphate so two molecules of erythrose 4 phosphate mixing up with the two DAP molecules two DHAP molecules and leads to the production of pseudoheptulose 1,7 bisphosphate it leads to the production of pseudoheptulose 1,7 bisphosphate fifth step deadly easy same similarity as the second step में क्या कैसा हो रहा था कि ఏ విధంగా అవుతుందో that is removal of the one phosphate atom same to same happening here also stereoptulus 1,7 bisphosphate how many carbon compound it is with 7 carbon compound we are just removing one phosphate atom from the first carbon and we are getting the stereoptulus 7 phosphate we are getting the stereoptulus 7 phosphate that is your fifth step that is your fifth step that is your fifth step now if you see your sixth step very simple sixth step cerebellose 7 phosphate which we got from the fifth step mixing up with the last G3P molecules I suppose last G3P molecules se mix up ho rahe and leads to the production of xylulose 5 phosphate and ribose most of the people will do the mistake here the ribose Subhash Chandra Bose ka wo bose hai ye just you have to remember that one most of the people here in this case in this scenario what they will do means they will write down ribulose ribulose बोल के लिखते हैं RUBP मीन्स राइबुलोस 1,5 बिसफॉस्फेट में अपने को राइबुलोस को प्रोड्यूस करने का है राइबोस को नहीं most of the people they will write on the ribulose 5 phosphate here and here they will write on the ribose 5 phosphate RUPP बोले तो ribose 5 phosphate बोल के पूरा का पूरा आंसर चेक का पूरा डिफरेंस हो रहा था you have to keep it in mind is a ribose सुभाष चंद्र बोस नेताजी वो वाला बोस समझ लो is a ribose 5 phosphate we are going to your seventh step xylulose 5 phosphate where you got this xylulose 5 phosphate 5 कहाँ से लेके आए बोल तो यहाँ पर दो है and बैंक में ऑलरेडी दो थे so दोनों को मिला दिए and you then it निकल पे 4 xylulose 5 phosphate getting converted into the 4 molecules of this is the molecule we want ribulose 5 phosphate 4 molecules of ribulose 5 phosphate इसको बाजू में लगा दिए you just kept this thing in the certain other direction बाजू में लगा दिए एंड नाउ इन दिस केस ribose 5 phosphate ये कहाँ से आया बोले तो बोला ना this is ribose 5 phosphate just remember that in every way our goal is to produce the ribulose only in every point of view our goal or our dream in this regeneration is a production of the ribulose only so ribose 5 phosphate in your 8th step is getting converted into the ribulose 5 phosphate so यहाँ पर दो molecules है ribulose 5 phosphate यहाँ पर चार molecules है in this case you are having 4 molecules of ribulose 5 phosphate and in this case you are having 2 molecules of ribulose 5 phosphate 4 plus 2 that is a 6 in your 9th step or the last step sixth step में there is a ribulose 5 phosphate 6 molecules of ribulose 5 phosphate is getting converted into the 6 molecules of ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate from where the hell this you have got this phosphate atom means ATP is donating its phosphate atom ATP is donating its phosphate atom ATP जो भी है ना अच्छा it is doing some sort of good work and it is donating its respective phosphate atom and during that reaction energy will also be released and that might be stored in the ribulose 1,5 वो bond make करने के लिए help हो रहा होगा so every one molecule for every conversion of one molecule ribulose 1 conversion of ribulose 5 phosphate one molecule into ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate we are utilizing one ATP molecule one ATP molecule use कर रहे हैं so 6 compounds are there so we are using the 6 ATP molecules and the last product you have got is the ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate and this will again re-enter into your first step second step etc it will be doing like so this is that's it ma that's it regarding your respective C3 cycle that is the regeneration of RUBP we completed so just easiest way to remember what and what etc happening means that is a bank statement ma बार बार आपको कॉमर्स का नॉलेज लगाना होगा बैंक का नॉलेज यू हैव टू कीप द बैंक नॉलेज एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बैंक नॉलेज नहीं आए तो थोड़ा ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कहाँ से आया ये कहाँ से आया एक्सेट्रा दैट विल बी लिटिल बिट प्रॉब्लमेटिक फॉर यू very simple one we completed your respective C3 cycle is totally completed tomorrow most probably C4 cycle and remaining what are the topics are tomorrow most probably I will complete the photosynthesis topic को कल तो complete extra time लिया तो extra time लूंगा tomorrow I will try to take the extra time and I will try to complete the most of the topic for tomorrow's class. So we last 2 minutes topic. After that I will be leaving you, ma. No need to worry. Very simple, ma. Now what we have to see in this cases is that in this cases what we have to see means can anyone tell me totally how many ATPs are utilized and how many NADPH2s are utilized in the respective Kelvin cycle? The respective Kelvin cycle में पूरे पूरा including first step, second step, third step. After this entire thing, how many ATPs are utilized totally? How many ATPs are utilized and how many NADPH2s are utilized? Very good, ma. Swati, very good, ma. Swati, very good. Swati said the first time Swati said the girl. Muskan also first time क्या हुआ माँ मुस्कान माँ इतना लेट के क्यों दे रहे माँ you are not even giving Priyanka very good माँ at the same time write down how many NADPH also माँ కూడా Swati very good again Swati very good this thing again might have seen me might have copied it from your textbook you might have seen because I have given the homework now so you might probably remember how many ATPs and how many NADPH are you are getting very simple answer how many ATPs means 18 ATPs 18 ATPs and 12 NADPH. 12 NADPH. 18 how 18 because we are using 12 ATP in your second step. Remember your second step reduction में वहाँ पर use कर रहे हैं and 6 ATPs in your third step regeneration में regeneration reactions में the last step देख लो the last step you are using the 6 ATPs. So totally 6 ATPs in the regeneration, 6 ATPs in the regeneration, and 12 ATPs in your reduction reaction. 12 ATPs in your reduction reaction. So 12 plus 8, I think that is the 18 ATPs. Totally 18 ATPs. And in the NADPH2s, where we are using this NADPH2s, that is the second reaction. That is a reduction में choose कर रहे हैं. That is reduction reaction में choose कर रहे हैं. So here comes a point. ये तो textbook में नहीं है. But with this question, I will be ending the class also. For the fixation of for the for every one carbon dioxide in the Kelvin cycle, how many ATPs and how many NADPHs are utilized? Just tell the answer and I will leave the class. 6 carbon dioxide for every 6 carbon dioxides we are utilizing 18 ATPs and 12 NADPH now. So I'm asking one carbon dioxide. How many ATPs and how many NADPH? I hope you might have understand the question. पूरे 6 carbon dioxide involved हुए तो 12 ATPs and 12 NADPH2s are utilizing. I'm asking what would happen if only one carbon dioxide is involved, then how many ATPs will be utilized and how many NADPH2s will be utilized? How many type of questions will be asked in your MCET? Very good. Prachi says the correct answer. Prachi says the correct answer. There is a 3 ATP. Write down at some point or take the screenshot. There is a 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2. There is 3 ATP molecules are utilized for every 1 carbon dioxide and 2 NADPH2s are utilized for every 1 carbon dioxide. You have to keep it in mind and the ratio like see 3:2 वाला ratio आएगा. This thing again will questions all of these are the questions आपका MCET की आपका NEET के questions he may ask you like 1 carbon dioxide now okay you know the answer now he'll now ask this 2 carbon dioxide 2 carbon dioxide means 6 ATP molecules and 4 you have to just double it up 2 carbon dioxide or if he might be asking like 3 carbon dioxide by 3 carbon dioxide का बोलो 9 ATP molecules and 6 NADPH molecules just you have to remember like this particular one 3 carbon dioxide आए तो 9 ATP and 6 you have to just remember a particular system then only it will be very good so Kelvin cycle totally completed if you're having it doubts you can ask me etc everything you know regarding that everything you know and tomorrow most probably I will be taking extra time कल तो मुझे थोड़ा extra time दे दो most probably I will be completing your respective photosynthesis topic not photosynthesis yes ma tomorrow most probably I will complete the photosynthesis tomorrow most probably I will complete the photosynthesis and for your information Saturday grand test ma Saturday is a grand test of your photosynthesis. Photosynthesis का grand test रहेगा Saturday. Final उससे तो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होता. Saturday and today is Monday now. So on Wednesday onwards, I will start a new chapter. From Wednesday onwards, I will start a new chapter. respiration is an interesting topic ma, but middle में थोड़ा gap दूंगा और interesting topic के लिए थोड़ा gap दूंगा. So I will start the enzymes topic. Oh, 1.3 वाला topic start कर दूंगा. It is like 2 days topic only. 2 days वाला topic है enzymes. Sir, why again enzymes? Sir, why you are not starting the respiration as it is an interesting one? Respiration में बहुत सारे enzymes आएंगे. In the respiration, you will come across many number of enzymes. So for that, you have to understand the basics of enzymes. Photosynthesis also got the enzymes. Basics आए थे. So we proceeded however we have proceeded out. So थोड़े basics देख लेंगे enzymes का. Then only we will go to the respiration topic. Respiration topic में जाके देख लेंगे. We will complete the respiration topic also. And one more thing is that I haven't filled this enzyme. Just time रहा तो enzymes का fill कर लो and come up with some sort of mnemonic mark. ये वाले जो भी है ना mnemonic का आके थोड़ा याद रख लो because enzymes are really important. It can be asked again and again in your NEET and MCET. Which one is doing which reaction? कौन सा enzyme कौन सा reaction यहाँ कर रहा है etc etc. That you have to keep it in mind. Okay, that's it. That's it for today, everyone. Have a nice day. That's it for today. If you're having any doubts, you can message me. Group में और message कर दो everything. Have a nice day, my friend.